Ho ho ho! Welcome to the kitchen!
So we're going to be making Mizithra cheese spaghetti. And first we're going to want to get the Mizithra, and I'm going to have Lizzie grate it using the grater. First off, I'm going to have to unwrap it though. Here you go, Liz. Now to do it, we want to use this side, right, Mom?
You want to use the small one on the side.
This one?
No, the one facing me.
Okay, this one.
Yep.
Okay. So you're gonna want to go like this.
You're going to want to grate it super fine.
You're gonna want to go like this, Lizzie. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And you're gonna want to try to get it as small as possible. Okay.
Okay, as small as possible.
You might want to hold the top.
Okay, then.
Okay, I'm going to be browning the butter now. So first what you want to do is you want to turn on this, put it down to about 6, right, Mom?
About medium?
Yeah,
Look how
6,
far.
medium. And then you're going to want to peel the butter.
Unwrap the butter.
Yeah. Unwrap the butter.
I want it peeled.
Gotta peel that butter.
Then you're going to want to put it on. Now it'll take a while to start melting. Then once it melts, we can start mixing it until it browns, turns a brownish color. Going. Now, after the butter is completely melted, you're going to want to have it so that you mix it, and then when it becomes a brownish color, you can take it off. You're going to want to also stir the bottom so that it doesn't burn. We've been mixing for a little bit now, and now it's become brown. You gotta mix it at a good rate so that it doesn't have too many bubbles and overflows. But when it looks like this, you know that you've done it correctly. It's brown.
And it's finished.
Yeah, and it's finished. Now I'm making the noodles, and we just got the pot boiling. And I measured out enough noodles. And so now I'm gonna put the noodles into the bowl so I can start making the noodles. I already washed my hands. You should wash your hands, it's very important. You get all the noodles into there. Then you put the lid back on. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Stir it every once in a while until they're cooked.
Yep, and you'll stir it every once in a while until they're cooked. The noodles are about done, and when the noodles are soft, you can see they're soft right now. Tell that you're soft because of that. But when they're done, you go and you drain them and you rinse them off, and then you put them in a bowl. And then you can serve it up to people and put on the Mizithra cheese that you grated earlier and the butter that you browned. Now that we've browned our butter, grated our cheese, and made the spaghetti, we can actually serve it up. So you're going to want to get some spaghetti.
Sam likes lots of spaghetti.
Yes, I like lots of spaghetti. Then get some browned butter. Put it on top of the spaghetti.
You don't need a ton.
Yeah. And then...
We can't see the cheese. Can you move the cheese so we can see it? Or move the spaghetti out of the way. There you go.
And then you're going to want some Mizithra cheese to be on top. You can just sprinkle that on top to make something that looks just like this.
You can also use a lot more cheese on there. Some people like it a lot more than that.